When you lose weight, your body fights back. Here are some common reasons why you're not losing weight. 1. You're not eating enough protein. Protein is the single most important nutrient for losing weight. Eating protein at 25 to 30% of calories can boost metabolism by 80 to 100 calories per day and make you automatically eat several hundred fewer calories per day. It can also drastically reduce cravings and desire for snacking. If you eat breakfast, be sure to load up on protein. Studies show that those who eat a high-protein breakfast are less hungry and have fewer cravings throughout the day. 2. You're not eating whole foods. Food quality is just as important as quantity. Eating healthy foods can improve your well-being and help regulate your appetite. These foods tend to be much more filling than their processed counterparts. Keep in mind that many processed foods labeled as health foods aren't really healthy. Stick to whole foods, single-ingredient foods as much as possible. 3. You're not lifting weights. One of the most important things you can do when losing weight is to do some form of resistance training, such as lifting weights. This can help you maintain muscle mass, which is often burned along with body fat if you are not exercising. Lifting weights can also help prevent metabolic slowdown and ensure that your body stays toned and muscular. 4. You're not doing cardio. Cardiovascular exercise, also known as cardio or aerobic exercise, is any type of exercise which increases your heart rate. This includes activities such as jogging, cycling, and swimming. It is one of the most effective ways to improve your health. It is also very effective at burning belly fat, the harmful visceral fat that builds up around your organs. 5. You're still drinking sugar. Sugary beverages are the most fattening items in the food supply. Your brain doesn't compensate for the calories in them by making you eat less of other foods. This isn't only true of sugary drinks like Coke or Pepsi. It also applies to healthier beverages like vitamin water, which are also loaded with sugar. Even fruit juices are problematic and should not be consumed in large amounts. A single glass can contain a similar amount of sugar as several pieces of whole fruit. 6. You're not sleeping well. Good sleep is one of the most important factors for your physical and mental health, as well as your weight. Studies show that poor sleep is one of the single biggest risk factors for obesity. Adults and children with poor sleep have a 55% and 89% greater risk of becoming obese, respectively. 7. Having unrealistic expectations. Having weight loss and other health-related goals can help keep you motivated. However, having unrealistic expectations can actually work against you. Adjust your expectations to a more realistic and modest goal, such as a 10% drop in weight in 1 year. This can help prevent you from getting discouraged and improve your chances for success.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.